from Robbins, and also using bits of my knowledge about social sciences, I extracted the following. There is always at least one instance of conflicting ends at any given time. For one reason or another, from one angle of thought or from another, it can always be deduced that our ends are contradictory. Now it is of no concern for an economist, while he or she is analyzing, to discuss why contradictions do exist. However, at this moment when we are defining economics, we may safely engage in some reasoning about them. And so we may appeal to our observations and find that contradictory goals are but an empirical regularity. We may consult hedonistic psychology and find that what we want for ourselves is opposite of what we want others to have in relation to us. We may depart from it. We may opt humanistic psychology and find that as a normal human we wish to find a balance between selfish and altruistic motives. Or more abstractly, we may consult philosophy and find that duality of opposites is the only universality. Yet, we may study history and find that for various reasons our informal institutions, which internalize in us our beliefs and choices via primary socialization, have developed in a way to contradict our formal institutions, especially in previously colonized world but also elsewhere. And more than anything, we may deduce that saving and spending are two opposite acts which we value at once with equal importance when facing scarcity of means and uncertainties of future, just as we do prefer cheap money now, and low inflation later. For a host of reasons, which we may never inquire during an economic analysis, it is true that our ends are contradictory. They manifest this conflict at least once in each time period, in each activity, etc.